I welcome you back for Grade 6, Chapter 2, Working with Windows, Part 2. Now, in this lesson, we are going to see the topics, the continuation video about how to remove a software in your system or how to change a theme and certain utility tools of the Windows we are going to see. Let's get into the lesson, students. Now, the first one which we are going to see is about removing a software program. What do you mean by it removing? When you install any software, basically it needs to be entirely removed. If it's half removed, if you just click onto it, just say if you right click it and if you just delete, if you just click onto it, it will be deleted, only partial will be done. So the exact and actual step you need to do is that you all know where to go, right? Yes, we'll go to start button and you'll need to click on control panel. Yes, now after clicking on the control panel, you will have the screen which will come. So in the earlier video, we have seen about certain hardware sounds to change your mouse appearance and everything, right? Likewise, in this screen, you have an option called programs. Yes, so if you see, look into down, it is what does it say? Yes, uninstall a program. So we are going to click on this button. So once the button is clicked, can you see there's lots of option which is coming? Exactly. So once these option comes, like you can choose whichever the option you wanted to delete. That is, let me be a little bit crisp, like whichever the software you wanted to delete it. That is uninstall, remove it from your system. I am clicking on the particular option. Yes. Now I have selected an option called Nitro Pro 8. So after clicking on that, I need to select uninstall. So once when you click on uninstall, there will be a dialog box which will appear to you. Which will say, are you sure you want to uninstall your software, whichever the software you wanted to remove. So if you click on yes, it will be deleted. And if you click on no, you know what will happen, right? Very good. It will not get done. So once now we have a plan of removing. So once if you click on yes, the software will be removed. So this is the steps for uninstalling, students. Now we are going to see how to change the theme of the computer. That is your wallpaper screen. Yes, there's another way also. After going to the control panel, I'm going to tell you two ways. One way is that after, the control panel option, there's an option called appearance and personalization. We can click on to the appearance and personalization option there. So once when you click on, you will get an option called change the theme. This option which will be available the persons who are using the Windows 7 software minus the Windows 10 software. So it's the same, but only the pattern will get changed. So the persons who are all using the Windows 10 software, you can go to settings and there is an option. Can you see here personalization? You can click on personalization. So once when you click on personalization, you will have the option here called themes. Okay. So once you click on the themes option, the themes whichever is available, it will be appearing here. You can choose the theme whichever you wanted to apply to it. And once when you click on to it, and that theme will be applied to that particular screen. Now, next we are going to come to the utility tool of Windows. That is nothing but how to clean your system. Like the unwanted files are there, how to clean it properly we are going to see. What is the steps for it? So either you can click on start button all programs, or in the search area there will be an options called systems tool. Okay, I'm just going to type. Now either you can click on once you just type the option system tools, from that you can go to desk cleanup, or directly you can go to the option desk cleanup. disk cleanup. So disk cleanup is nothing, cleaning up your disk in the place. That is whichever the drive you wanted to clean up. So you can just choose the particular disk, whichever the place you wanted to clean up, where you wanted to store, delete certain data, whichever you do not want it. And then if you click on OK, what will happen? It will start. It will display the list of unnecessary files which you wanted to delete from that particular window. You will have the option which will come here, and then what will happen? You can choose that whichever the file you wanted to remove from it, and if you click on OK, automatically that particular file whichever you do not want it will be cleaned up. Now the next option we are going to see is about disk defragmentation, defragment, which is called optimize your drives. That means if there are unwanted, we saw the cleanup. What will the cleanup do? It will delete the file, and we can delete the unwanted file, and where the space will be available and we can store it. But this is the process, which means it is a tool where it can be found. It's nothing but it's your cleaning, and if there is any unwanted space or anything, so it will give you a more storage and more optimized to your drives. That's called this defragment or optimize your drive. So for this here, as you all know, on the search area we are typing disk defragment. If you just type, it will automatically come. So once when you click on the option, as usual, like when we saw for the cleanup, you can see in which drive if you have unwanted files or anything. Okay, so the files which we have deleted, you want that also to be removed permanently, that you can either go to the recycle bin, or through this also you can do it in a much better way. After selecting that particular area which you wanted to, there is an option here called disk defragment, or you will even have an option which will call optimize. If you click on that particular thing, it will what will happen? That particular file will be defragmented, and you can also check the percentage how much it has been done. And once it is done, after several minutes or an hour, the fragment will run, and you will get the option which has been completed, which is called finish option. You will get it. So now this is the conclusion part of this Windows lesson. So you just a pointed glance. So what all we have seen in the last video and this video. What is Windows? It's an operating software. Now you know what is the latest software. Yes, Windows 10 is the latest software, and we can change the appearance, functionality of your computer by using control panel. Like you can, what you can do, you can change your mouse pointer, as we all have seen. Yeah. So previously when I showed it was little small, and see now how the mouse pointer has been changed. Yes. And also we can add our device, add or remove any devices, extra devices, using this control panel features. So basically in this video we saw certain option which is all there in the control panel, right? So under the system tools, accessories, like we saw two features, which is disk cleanup and disk defragmenter. Yes. So what does this means? It cleanups, and it gives us the free space on our disk drive. And the last we saw about the fragmenter, which rearrange the fragmented data on our disk. That is the unwanted file which is not required, which has been deleted, it permanently deleted from your file. Yes? Okay, student. Thank you, students. Hope you all must have understood this lesson. I see you on the another interesting video of your computer science. Thank you. You all have a great day.